The former American President Donald Trump is making headlines again. On Friday, the American top court has denied to expedite the case regarding the former president's immunity against his efforts to overturn the 2020 polls. The request for expediting the case was first flagged by the U.S. Special Counsel Jack Smith. The Supreme Court's decision is a blow to the special counsel who wanted the trial to take place before the 2024 polls. But contrary to that, Trump's attorney has also urged the courts to delay the trials until the 2024 presidential elections are over. In fact, earlier in the week, a Colorado court has ruled that Trump's interference in the 2020 presidential elections, including the Capitol riots, had disqualified him from running for the 2024 presidential elections. Now, the case was in fact brought to the Supreme Court right after the U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan rejected arguments from Trump's team that he is entitled to immunity from criminal prosecution. Now, a new U.S. media report has alleged that Trump had pressurized Michigan officials to toss President Joe Biden's win in the 2020 polls. Now, the former president reportedly made a phone call to two fellow Republicans in an attempt to pressurize the local officials to interfere with the 2020 presidential elections. Now, Trump has asked them to not certify the total once the voting was over. Now, according to the report, Trump's 17th of November 2020 phone call involved the National Committee chairwoman Ronna McDaniel and Wayne County election authorities Monica Palmer and William Hartman. The former president told them that they would look quote-unquote terrible if they certified the results after opposing the certification initially. The two then issued affidavits opposing the certification of the Wayne County. The following day, the two unsuccessfully tried to change their votes in favor of the certification. Listen in.
Say aye. Aye. All those in favor say nay, or all those opposed say nay. Nay.
Multiple reports have established that Trump's claims over the election being stolen were completely baseless, but he remains persistent and has pushed to nullify the results. But this has not hindered the former president's popularity in the Republican camp, as he remains the clear front-runner for the conservatives. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.